Gurubhyo Namaha. We are now learning the lesson Plants Around Us. We have already seen the different types of plants and the different parts of the plants. Children, today we are going to learn how plants help us. Plants help us in many ways. We should take care of them. Plants give us clean air to breathe. Plants give us clean air to breathe. Tall green trees give us shade. Tall green trees give us shade. Plants give us fruits and vegetables to eat. What do the plants give us? They give us fruits and vegetables to eat. Plants provide food and shelter to animals. Plants provide food and shelter to animals. Plants give us flowers and wood. Plants give us flowers and wood. So, plants helps us in so many ways. Let us look at each one of them in detail. First one, plants give us clean air to breathe. How do the plants make the air clean, children? We saw that the leaves prepare food for the plant. The process of preparing food with the help of sunlight, air, and water is called as photosynthesis. During this process, plants take in carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen. That is, during the preparation of food, plants give out oxygen. All living things need oxygen to live. So, plants give us oxygen and make the air clean and fresh. So, plants give us clean air to breathe. Tall green plants give us shade. See, children, tall and big trees give us shade. Humans and animals can take rest under these trees during daytime and protect themselves from the hot sun. So, tall green trees give us shade. Look at the picture. See the people standing under the shade of this tree? Yes. Plants give us fruits and vegetables to eat. Fruits and vegetables are good for our health. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables regularly prevents us from falling sick. Fruits. Children, it is best to wash the fruits and eat them directly. We can also make fruit juices, jams, milkshakes, and delicious yummy ice creams from fruits. Vegetables. We cook and eat most of the vegetables. Some vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, and tomatoes can be eaten raw. The seeds of a plant. The seeds of the plants are also very useful and healthy. The rice, chapati, the dal, sambar we eat are made from the seeds of plants. Look at the picture, children. This is a rice plant. These are the seeds of the plant. From these seeds only we get the rice. Here are other seeds. They are called pulses. Your mother makes a sambar, dal, chutney, vada using these pulses. So seeds of the plants are very nutritious and healthy. The yummy chocolate you eat and the coffee your parents drink are also made from the seeds of cocoa plant and coffee plant. We also get cooking oil from the seeds of plants like groundnut, and sunflower. Children, plants provide food and shelter to many animals. Many animals and birds live on trees. Birds build their nest on trees. Animals like monkeys and squirrels mostly live on trees. These birds and animals eat the fruits and seeds of trees and other plants. Plants give us flowers. Plants give us beautiful and colorful flowers like red roses, yellow marigold, pink lotus, white jasmine, etc. Flowers make a place very beautiful and spread their fragrance all around. Fragrance means pleasant smell or nice smell. Flowers are used for making decoration, for making garland, and making perfumes that you use. The leaves, the leaves of this plant are also very useful and good for health. We eat the leaves of some plants like spinach, cabbage, and tulsi. The banana leaf is used as a plate. Plants give us wood. The huge trunks of the tree give us wood to make doors, windows, chairs, tables, and other furniture. Plants also give us medicine. Many herbs are used to cure different health problems. So, dear children, each and every part of a plant helps us in many ways. We should take care of them. We should avoid cutting the trees. If at all we cut them for our needs like to make chairs, tables, etc., we should plant many more trees in that place. In this way, we can protect our plants and our environment. Hope you understood the different uses of plants. Now, dear children, let's have a quick recap of what we learned in this lesson. First, we learned the different types of plants. Trees. Trees are very big and tall plants. They have hard, strong, woody stems called trunks. Shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. They have thin, hard, woody stems. Herbs. Herbs are very small plants. They have thin, soft, green stems. Climbers. Climbers are plants with very soft, weak stem. Since the stems are weak, they need support to grow. Creepers. Creepers are also plants with soft, weak stems, but they grow along the ground. Water plants. Water plants are plants that grow in water. Then we saw the different parts of a plant. The different parts of the plant are root, stem, fruit, leaf, and flower. Roots grow downwards into the soil. They hold the plant in its place and absorb water from the soil. Stem. A stem grows upwards. It carries water and food to the different parts of the plant. It also gives support for the plant. Leaves. The leaves prepares food for the plant with the help of air, water, and sunlight by the process called photosynthesis. And fruits. Fruits are the fleshy part of the plant. They have seeds inside them. The seed grows into a new baby plant. This process is called germination. Flower. Flowers are the bright colored parts of the plant. The flowers turn into a fruit. And today we saw how plants help us. Plants help us in many ways. They they make the air clean to breathe. They give us shade. Plants give us fruits and vegetables to eat. Plants give food and shelter to animals. Plants give us flowers, wood, and medicine. Having learned the lesson, let's learn the spellings of these words. First one, roots. R-O-O-T-S, roots. Stem. S-T-E-M, stem. Flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Leaf. L-E-A-F, leaf. Fruit. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Vegetables. Vegetables, vegetables. Clean. Clean, clean. Wood. Wood, wood. Shade. Shade, shade. Shelter. Shelter, shelter. Children, write these words in a notebook 3 times and learn their spellings. Having completed the lesson, now it's time to check your understanding. Let's do the checkpoints given in your textbook together. First one, state true or false. I've already told you. I'll read the sentence. If the sentence is correct, you'll have to write true, T-R-U-E, true, or capital T. Or if the sentence is wrong, we have to write false, F-A-L-S-E, false. If the sentence is correct, means true. The sentence is wrong, means false. First one, strong and thick woody stems are called trunks. Strong woody stems are called trunks. Which plant has trunks? Trees. So this sentence is correct. So the answer is true. Next, shrubs have soft green stems. Shrubs have soft green stems. No, shrubs have thin, hard, woody stems. Only herbs have soft green stems. So the sentence is wrong. So what is the answer? Wrong means we have to write false. Next, herbs have woody stems. Herbs are very small plants and they have soft green stems. So the sentence is again wrong. Herbs have soft green stems is the correct answer. Herbs have woody stems is wrong. We have to write false. Next one. A rose plant is a shrub. We saw the examples for all plants like trees, shrubs, herbs. So rose plant is an example for shrub. It's correct. So we have to write true. Very good. The next one is tick the correct answer. You have to read the sentence. Two options will be given for each sentence. You have to tick the correct option or the correct answer. First one, money plant is a climber or creeper. Okay, we saw what are climbers? Climbers are plants with weak stem that need support for growing. And what are the example we studied? Money plant and grapevine are climbers. So money plant is a climber. Climber is the correct answer. You have to tick climber. Next one, creeper or climber grow along the ground. Which plants grow along the ground, children? Creeper grows along the ground and climber climbs up using a support. So creeper is the correct answer. To tick creeper. Next, climbers and creepers have strong or weak stems. What did we study? We learned that climbers and creepers have weak stems. That's why they either need support to grow up or they grow along the ground. So Climbers and creepers have weak stems. Weak stems is the correct answer. Very good, children. Next one. Fill in the blanks. They've given a clue box and the words are given. We have to choose the correct word and write it in the blanks. What are the words given? CLEAN, clean, HOME, home, vegetables, 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 FOOD, food, food and wood are rhyming words. BREATHE, breathe, fruits, FRUITS, fruits. These are the words given. We have to make use of these words and fill in the blanks. First one, plants give us dash air to dash. What should we write? Plants give us what air? Plants give us clean air to breathe. So what is the correct answer, children? Plants give us clean air to breathe. Very good. Next, plants give us dash and dash to eat. Plants give us what to eat? Plants give us fruits and vegetables to eat. So the correct answer is fruit and vegetables. So plants give us fruits and vegetables to eat. Next one. Plants also provide dash and dash to animals. What do the plants provide to the animals? Plants provide home and food to the animals. Animals make nest, birds, animals like birds make their nest on the plants and live there. They also eat the fruits on the trees, fruits from the trees. Yes, the answer is plants provide home and food to animals. Learning about plants is always interesting and exciting. Hope you enjoyed learning this lesson, children. Thank you.